How to clear WhatsApp chat history on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Click on the chat where you want to delete chat history. Simply select the text you want to delete, as you will be able to select specifics. Then click on trash option at the top and then click on delete for me if you want to delete for yourself. After that, you're good to go. But if you want to delete whole chat, what you can do is select the chat and at the top you'll find trash option. Click on it. Then press on delete chat and everything will be deleted. This is how to clear WhatsApp chat history on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.